Hi folks, this is Cody Smith here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at 2019 Ram 1500 Laramie. It's a black in color. It's a really nice truck. It's got the sensors here in the front. Turn signals in the mirror. This vehicle's got heated seats, heated steering wheel. Here's your touch screen, all your controls, auxiliary. Plenty of room in this. Your four-wheel drive, your hands-free, your cruise control, your calling, your radio. All power windows, doors, seats. Do have your adjustable so you can have your seat settings. Got cup holders in the door as well. Cup holders there, cup holders in the back. Another cup holder there. Got that. Compartments. You got 115 volt in the back here, so you can plug it in. You got two USBs, air, back seat, plenty of room. Here's the bed. It's got a liner in it. This unit does have the backup camera. Four-wheel drive. You do have another compartment on this side. Again, that says the Laramie edition. Side storage there. Cup holders there. Again, folks, this is Cody Smith here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at 2019 Ram 1500 Laramie. Stock number is 28278T. You can visit us online at www.sherrychrysler.com, or you can give us a call at 937-778-0830. Ask for Cody.